Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. Today here comes another nice math challenge which reads x over x plus 11 close bracket all to the power of x plus 11 is equals to 1 over 2048, and we're looking for the possible value for x. So how are we going to solve for the value of x in this challenge? So please, if you are new here, please kindly subscribe, and by the time you subscribe, please don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you get notified anytime I drop videos on mathematics. So let's see how we can solve something like this. So I'll simply say solution, then I write down a question which says x over x plus 11 open bracket close bracket all to the power of x plus 11 equals to my 2048 is also equals to 2 to the power of 11. So if I should do that, I'm going to have 1 over 2 to the power of what? Of 11. Okay, so I'm going to have x over x plus 11 open bracket close bracket all to the power of x plus 11 equals to, recall from your indices rule, if you're having 1 over a is also equals to a to the power of minus 1. So if we should put this rule here, we can simply have this to be 2 to the power of minus 11. Okay, since we've gotten this, so what are we simply going to do? We can write x over x plus 11 open bracket close bracket all to the power of x plus 11 is equals to, recall, we can write this a to the power of negative a is also equals to a to the power of minus 1 or to the power of a. So if we put this principle here, we can have this to be a 2 to the negative 1 or to the power of 11. Okay, so we're now having this to be x over x plus 11 open bracket close bracket all to the power of x plus 11 is equals to, we can simply bring the negative sign out, so we can have this to be 2 open bracket close bracket to the negative 2. Okay, so to the negative 11, sorry. So we've done this, so what are we going to do next? So we can simply write x over x plus 11 open bracket close bracket all to the power of x plus 11 is equals to, recall, 2 is also equals to 22 divided by 11. So in other words, we can put 22 divided by 11, okay, all to the power of negative 11. So this 11 will divide this 22, and we are going back to this, and this is what we are having. Okay, haven't done this, we can write x over x plus 11 all to the power of x plus 11 is equals to what? So recall, if we have minus a all over minus b is also equals to a over b, right? Minus a over minus b is also equals to a over b, because this negative sign will cancel off this. So if we should obey this principle here, we can have this to be minus 22 over minus 11 all to the power of what? Minus 11. So this is what we are now having. I said minus a over minus b is also equals to a over b. So we can put this minus sign will cancel off this, and we are going back to this. And if this 11 cancel off this 22, we are going back to this. So the question remains the same. So let's see how we can solve. So if you come further to this part, we are now having x over x plus 11 all to the power of what? X plus 11 equals to negative 22 over negative 11 all to the power of a negative 11. Okay, haven't done this. So this is what we are not having. Okay, so we're not having. Your negative 11 is also equals to negative 22 plus 11. Negative 11 is also equals to negative 22 plus 11. So wherever we see negative 11, we'll put negative 22 plus 11. So what are we simply going to do? We can say x over x plus 11 r to the power of x plus 11 is equals to negative 22 over, we're having a negative 11, and negative 11 is equals to negative 22 plus 11. So we can simply write here to be negative 22 plus 11, close bracket, open bracket, close bracket, all to the, we're having negative 11 here, and we say negative 11 is equals to negative 22 plus 11. So write negative 22 plus 11. So you can see from here by comparison that we're having x here and our x is negative 22. We're having x here and our x is what? Negative 22. And we're having x as a power number and it's also negative 22, and this is 11, this is 11, this is 11, and this is 11. So by comparison, our x is equals to negative 22. So this is the value for x. So if you find this video useful and interesting, please don't forget to click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. God bless you. Jesus loves you. And also please don't forget to turn on the thumbs up button. Bye for now and see you in my subsequent video. Bye.